Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to embark on a beautiful journey together, a guided visualization to connect you with your spirit guide. Let's begin. Find a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Sit in a relaxed position, either on a chair with your feet on the ground or cross-legged on the floor. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly, letting go of any tension. Take a few more breaths like this, feeling yourself become more relaxed with each exhale. With your eyes closed, visualize a gentle, warm light above your head. As you breathe in, imagine this light slowly descending over your body, relaxing every muscle it touches. From the top of your head, down your neck, your shoulders, all the way to your toes. Feel the warmth and comfort as you drift deeper into relaxation. Now, in your mind's eye, imagine a path in a serene forest. The trees sway gently in the breeze, birds chirp softly in the distance. As you walk down this path, you feel safe and calm. Notice the vibrant colors of the flowers, the fresh scent of the earth beneath your feet. Up ahead, you see a clearing bathed in soft, golden light. As you step into the clearing, you notice a figure approaching you. This is your spirit guide. As they draw nearer, take in their appearance, their energy, and how you feel in their presence. Your guide greets you with a warm, kind smile. Your guide has a message just for you. Listen carefully to what they have to say. It may come as a thought, a feeling, or even a whisper. This message is something you need to hear right now, something that will guide you and support you. Take a moment to ask your spirit guide any questions you have. It can be about life, love, your career, or your spiritual path. Trust the responses that come, knowing you are receiving guidance from a higher place. Thank your spirit guide for their wisdom and guidance. Watch as they slowly step back into the golden light of the clearing. Feel a sense of gratitude and peace filling your heart. Begin to walk back along the path in the forest, carrying with you the insights and emotions from this encounter. With each step, become more aware of your physical surroundings. Gently open your eyes when you're ready. Take a moment to reflect on your experience. You might want to jot down any messages or insights you received. Remember, you can return to this place and connect with your spirit guide anytime you need guidance. Thank you for joining me in this guided visualization. Feel free to share this video, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more meditative and spiritual experiences. Have a beautiful day, full of light and guidance.